So just for the hiring manager, let's say that again, you're interviewing with a team in NeMo. So they might just ask you questions that are super relevant to their space, like, hey, what's your experience doing data curation for LLM training pipelines? Or even more broadly, what do you know about data curation for LLM training pipelines? Another one is, hey, what's your experience in data strategy? Or another one like, what do you know about data strategy? One unique thing about NVIDIA is that it is a very flat organization. So even though it's a hiring manager round, it could be a very high ranking person like a director or a VP. That's totally normal. And so the interviewer is going to say, hey, tell me about this really obviously relevant project you did at this really cool AI company and walk me through the systems that you built there and the stuff that you worked on. If you don't have that cool name brand experience, and that's totally normal, a lot of us don't, they're going to ask you to design something. Again, that would be very practical to the work you would be doing on this team. Either way, if you did understand the company's domain really well earlier, let's say you went through those architecture diagrams, that helps in this engineering round so much because if you're designing a system, you can use ideas that they're going to be familiar with. And if you're not, if you're just talking about your past work history, you can use that as a reference point for the way that your company did their version of the stuff that they were working on in the same domain.